Hello everyone, today I'm going for the unboxing of the BENE4 Mono. As you can see here, I'm not even opened the Amazon box yet. I just received it now, a few minutes ago. So you will discover with me if this printer is good, the quality, the first impressions. The idea is to make this first video to show the unboxing, but later on I can do a more detailed review about my impressions, what I think about the printer, and if it's a good printer, the quality of the components and things like that. Okay, so without further ado, let's do that. Okay, it's a big box. I don't even know why, because the printer is not that big. I think it's a small size printer, so it should not have that much things. Oh, one thing is that I got the deal that the printer comes with the ultrasonic cleaner. Okay, so that's really nice. Package. This is the ultrasonic cleaner. I will open here for you guys to see too. And then we have the printer box. Okay. Let's just get rid of this guy here. Okay. Okay. Good to go. So, BENE4 Mono. Let's open it up. Okay. First thing that I see is the quick start guide. Okay, it's just it did come with resin. That's new for me, to be very honest with you guys. It's my first printer with resin. Never had that. So yeah. Nice. Very nice. Okay. I've got fab film, extra fab film. The cover is heavy. It's really heavy. It's not like the other crap plastic covers that I see. I don't know if it's possible for you guys to see. First of all, we have rubber here on the bottom, okay? And I don't know if it's possible for you guys to see, but it's thick. It's a very thick plastic. Nice so far. I'm happy with what I'm seeing. So, another box, probably the wrap. Let me check here. It's very well protected. Okay, it's super protected. Let me open this one here. Okay, it's not the vat. Power cord, power cable, the power cord. Plastic scraper. It's one of fairly good quality. We have our spray bottle for the alcohol. the USB, which hopefully I will not need because this printer comes with Wi-Fi, okay, Wi-Fi capability. So, but yeah, if we need, we have that. Interesting. A cutter. Another thing that you do not see very often in other resin printers. You have your bag of screws and Allen keys. Some gloves, rubber gloves, and good quality gloves. To be again honest with you guys, it's good material here, not crappy. And yeah, funnel, 3M funnels. Okay, what else we have here? This printer is heavy. Okay, just for you guys to know. Yeah, nothing else on the box. It's heavy. It's not the plastic crap that we see in other printers. It's first of all, it's all metal. Okay, it's not plastic. The construction is all metal. So this. Yeah, it comes very well protected. So nice. I like what I see here. Yeah, as I told you, it's all metal. Okay. There's no cheap feel here. It's really nice. It comes with the Ethernet connection, also with the USB here, back, and also the Wi-Fi capabilities. Okay. And one thing that I really enjoyed about this printer is the cover. It's not like the others that you just come here and you need to just lift to see the insides. No, this one it's fixed here and you just need to bend it back to see the insides. Okay. So let's connect the screws here of that. I want you guys to do this together with me. These ones here. Yeah. Let me check that. I don't know. This one here? No, I think it's this big one here. Yeah. Yeah. So as I told you, you just do that, and that's it. That's an amazing thing. And with this rubber here, I think it reduces a little bit the impact when you close it, not have that noise or anything like that. I could power on this, right, for us to see. It would be great. Sorry for not that in advance. Just a minute. And here, let's see. Over here, just plug this on the power. Okay, we have a printer. Another interesting thing about this printer is that it has an Android CPU inside, okay? And I think it has 8 gigabytes of internal storage, so you do not need to use the USB, as I said. Okay, English. Remove that. And yeah, we have here controls. Let's lift up the build plate. It has a good sound in the motor. Yeah, it looks really sturdy. The construction, it's incredible. It's all metal, guys. It's really something that we do not see very often in this price range. It's incredible. It's just, it looks really high quality. It's something. It's heavy. It's nice. This lady here. Come on, who doesn't like that, right? It's amazing. I think it's the best of the worlds, because we can access everything in the machine, and also you have a good cover. You do not need to find ways to create a lift for a handle for the lift, right? Yeah, build plate. Let me just show you. Very nice build plate. Come on. It's ionized, okay. Very nice. All metal again. I like that the knob stays here. Let's see, the back here. Okay, the screws do not come out, so you can just use it to grab it. It comes with a protection here, but whoa! This vat has little feet here. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it has little feet that you can just lay on your table and do not worry about debris that can damage your fab. That's, yeah, the devil lives on the little details, right? Nice screen, and from what I can see, there are a glass protecting the screen. I think there is a glass above the screen. It's not the screen directly there. Okay. And to put it back, you just move here, screw again, and that's it. And another thing interesting, and I will test that and post a video later, is that it comes pre-leveled. I will test to see if it's really true. I don't know if I trust that, but let's see. They say it's pre-leveled from factory, so yeah, that's an amazing thing. Okay, let me just open the ultrasonic. cleaner and we are done. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. Okay, ultrasonic cleaner, manual. Again, very well protected. It's a small one. It's like one that I have here, but looks better than mine. It has the feet, which mine doesn't have. Yeah, it's 600 or 800 milliliters. Yeah, 0.8 liters or 8 milliliters. Sounds fair. The cable and that's it. That's the unboxing of today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in this machine, I will post a link down below for you guys to buy this incredible machine. And I will do some tests, and later on I will post a video about my impressions, my deep review about the machine with the results of the prints and things like that. Okay, thank you very much. Peace. See you next time.